So today we plan to go to the beach for one day trip. So now we are stocking the stuff. First, we have this raincoat. Maybe on the way we need that. So follow me now. Go get the phone. The most important because I have a nice picture. And your phone, because your phone sometimes a nice picture too.
It needs to be white, but it's not yet, so but it's better than nothing, I think.
Oh, second thing is my charger. That is my charger. What's your charger? You want it?
No. Oh yeah. I will take some small thing like that.
And I think I need the jacket because look at the sun. Look at the sun.
As soon as you arrive here, people will come to you and offer a bike or rental, and that's around 300 baht. So we didn't take that, we just wanted to walk around first, and this guy here in the back also offered it for 300 baht. But someone on Pattaya told us we can get it for 150 or 200. So we said like, oh, we want to have 200. And he's not fine with that. We continue going, and then he's come, okay, for 200 you will get that. So now we will get the bike here and drive to eat something somewhere.
150, but that's okay.
Yeah, we don't, 150 is, 200 is okay for me, honestly.
Yeah.
Doesn't have to be the minimum price, but not 300. We don't have to agree to the first price.
To walk for longer days.
Yeah. So now we will go and find a place to eat. Welcome to Koh Larn.
Welcome to Koh Larn. Now we were going to find some place for eating. We didn't have breakfast, we didn't have lunch. Now it's almost like 1 p.m. already. I have to turn left over there.
Left? Before you said right now.
Was it right? You cannot turn right. You need to turn right, you go to the beach.
Yeah, I was wondering about it already. But I said okay. So, okay.
Go up to the mountains. So now we are at the viewpoint of Koh Larn.
Big container ship.
Is it nice or not?
Beautiful view.
Really?
Just kidding.
Drive around. Make sure that we are safe now because we don't have a car.
I will make sure we are safe.
Okay, stop.
Make sure that we are safe. And then, oh, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Let's check out.
No issue.
Ooh, look at this view. Oh, it's nice. Maybe stay here for one night. Now, finally, we have found some restaurant. สวัสดีค่ะนี่ถ่ายวิดีโอนะคะ Now we got the nice place. Okay, now we got our food. So yeah, we ordered cashew cashew nuts with chicken and
That's Chinese broccoli with oyster sauce and chicken.
This is not processed like our broccoli. I don't think the Chinese broccoli is a kale now, you know that?
I didn't know that, but it's kale.
Right?
Yeah, I would have preferred broccoli,
Yeah.
but I didn't know. On my
The
road,
name is Chinese broccoli. I thought it's like kind of another broccoli, but it should be broccoli. But here it's kale, like I know that.
yeah, I should have known it before because I like broccoli more than this. I don't like kale, you know that.
Yeah, I know that.
But I like this,
That's why it's like before you ask me like.
and I
kale
came with
or
that.
broccoli then. Because I know that you won't like kale and then suddenly. That's okay.
We are so full now. The plan is to go to the next beach, then continue to the next beach and to the next beach until we have reached all the beaches that are accessible by bike on Koh Larn. Maybe we even walk to another beach if we are not too lazy yet. Let's see, I will show you the beaches and find out which one is the best.
Now we arrived at
Ta Yai Beach.
yes.
Right?
Ta mean grandfather. Yai mean grandmother.
Oh, really?
Grandma and grandpa beach.
So when you put them
Ta
together,
Yai.
grandma and grandpa, it means grandparents. Beach.
Oh yeah, your
But then
grandparents.
when- also when you say parents,
You're correct, you're correct.
You say ne and
Pa.
pa. Ne, pa.
Yeah,
It is parents.
you're right. Correct. Thanks. For new knowledge.
At the same beach, when you walk a little further, you can see another beach that's kind of hidden. It looks nice too. So let's check out.
Smaller. Find the left turn. Oh, be careful.
Thanks that you tell me now, because if you did not tell me, I would have told you. I really don't like it. It's not nice to eat that. I need the coconut. I need the coconut.
Where is the coconut? The coconut for the. Now we are arrived at the monkey beach. So
We finished having a swim. The water was clear. We were floating around and have what is it? A mattress for 100 baht. That we
Seat.
shared for the seat. Okay, seat. And then we have some ice cream, which is just, I don't know, can you see that somewhere over there? For 20 baht each, you get some ice cream, coconut flavor with sticky rice, which is quite interesting and so good. Now we want to continue. Probably we will not be able to see all of the beaches today, but maybe we do it another day. But definitely Monkey Beach, even though we didn't see any monkeys, it was nice to relax there. They call it Monkey Beach, yeah, but I didn't see any monkeys, but that's good for me. Okay, let's continue to maybe another beach or already giving back the bike, because we still have to go from where we got the bike to the pier for leaving the island again. Now we're going to the other side of the island, to the beach that we arrived from, I think.
similar. Looks same. Nothing nice. No, nothing special from other beach.
What's the name of this beach? Is it Sameh? No. Really? I thought Sameh is somewhere else. It's nice here, you have lots of food. This beach is nice now. But you like more crowded places?